teach you how to start a one-on-one chat in Google Chat and send your first message. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can go from zero to sending a message in just a moment. First, open Google Chat. You can do this on the web by going to the Google Chat site from the chat section inside Gmail, or by using the Google Chat mobile app. If you're in a work or school account, make sure you're signed in to the correct profile so the right contacts and permissions are available. Once you're in, look for the option to begin a new conversation. On desktop, you'll typically see a plus icon labeled New Chat, and sometimes it appears as Start a Chat. On mobile, it may be a floating button. The label can vary slightly depending on updates or whether you're in Gmail's integrated view, but the idea is the same. You're creating a fresh direct message thread. Click or tap that button, and you'll see a field where you can search for the person you want to reach. Type their name if they're in your organization or contacts, or type their full email address if you're not seeing them listed. As you type, Google Chat will suggest matches. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right person, especially if there are people with similar names. Checking the email domain or profile photo can help you avoid messaging the wrong contact. Next, select the person from the results. This opens a dedicated chat window or pane for your one-on-one conversation. You'll see a message box at the bottom. That's where you'll compose your note. Go ahead and type your message. Keep it clear and to the point, especially if it's your first outreach. If you need multiple paragraphs without sending prematurely, hold Shift and press Enter to add a new line. You can also watch for spelling suggestions as you type to keep things professional. When your message is ready, press Enter to send. On mobile, you'll tap the send icon. You should see the message appear in the conversation thread right away. If the person is online, you may notice quick responses or read indicators depending on your organization's settings. If they're not available, your message will be waiting for them when they return. That's all there is to it. Open Google Chat, start a new chat, look up the person by name or email, select them, type your message, and press Enter. With these steps, you're ready to communicate quickly and confidently in Google Chat.